No, because she told me, if you want to come see your daughter, the cops would. They said that you guys can make that happen. Me come see my daughter if she don't want me here, and I have the court order.
But they're not even here. But you don't have a court order. And if you do have it, you don't have it here that I can see it. So I can't pull it up in the system.
This is Pamelia Cabrera, a desperate mother or a dangerously unstable woman whose obsession will kill her own daughter. This twisted true crime story begins in Jacksonville, Florida, on the evening of March 31st, 2022, when police are called to a family home after Pamelia arrives, demanding to see her 5-year-old daughter Vanity, who is now living with Pamelia's sister. Police have no idea that this seemingly routine family dispute is about to spiral into one of the city's most horrifying homicide investigations.
Right by the court.
Okay.
To visit my daughter, but my sister has my daughter. So they said...
Your sister has custody of your daughter?
Temporary custody.
Do you have paperwork?
She has the paperwork.
You have the paperwork?
Not on me.
You got your ID with you?
My ID?
Yeah.
No, it's in the phone.
Can you grab it?
You need my ID?
Yeah, I'm going to look up the paperwork in the computer.
She has everything. And she said, call her if anything. When my sister gets here, if you need anything to call her.
What's a good phone number for you? All right, give me a second.
The deputy goes to check Pamelia's identification and custody paperwork.
The paperwork that you have, is it from Duval County?
My sister should have the one from Duval County.
Okay. So what's your sister's name?
Whitney Castro. But I think her last name is Baez now.
Whitney? Spell that for me.
Whitney.
His last name is what? Castro?
Baez. B-A-E-S. No, E-Z, I think. Oh, one of the other.
Is that her car right there?
I think that's her husband's car.
Alright, I'll look it up. Okay, so there's no court orders for any kind of custody orders or anything listed in Duval County under your name or under her name.
So what does that mean?
It means that if I don't have any paperwork, there's nothing I can do anyway. Okay, so, and they're not even here. So what is it you wanted me to do?
No, because she told me, if you want to come see your daughter, the cops would... they said that you guys can make that happen. Me come see my daughter if she don't want me here, and I have the court order.
But they're not even here. But you don't have a court order. And if you do have it, you don't have it here that I can see it. So I can't pull it up in the system because it's not a Duval court order. So do you live in Lake City still?
No.
Where do you live now?
I live here.
Where?
In a shelter.
Okay. So the paperwork that you do have for your court order is where? Is it at the shelter?
No, the case manager has that.
And the case manager is in Duval?
No, she's in Tampa.
She's in Tampa. Was the paperwork filed when you were in Tampa?
I think so.
Okay, so Hillsborough County has it.
Yeah, they probably have it, but my sister's here and she has...
But she's not here right now.
Oh, okay.
So you know what I mean? I'm trying to help you. I'm trying to figure this out. I'm trying to help you. But I don't know what I can do for you since they're not even here.
Okay.
Okay? So if she comes anytime soon, just call back and we'll come back, okay?
All right, thank you.
All right.
Just a short time after officers order Pamelia to leave, another frantic 911 call comes in. Pamelia's sister Whitney tells police that Pamelia has returned and kidnapped Vanity. Within minutes, deputies locate Pamelia's SUV and attempt a traffic stop. Instead of pulling over, she accelerates away, leading officers on a high-speed pursuit that stretches for more than 30 miles before ending in a retention pond.
Hey, for 94, she just went straight into the retention pond. She's about halfway in the retention pond. I do not see the vehicle anymore. All the way out there. Get up. Ready?
That's the suspect here.
Yes. Hey, hands up. Who's got cuffs? Cuff her.
Was there a child in the car? Where was she? Where was she sitting? Front passenger seat?
While Pamelia is being detained, multiple officers enter the water in a desperate search for Vanity. But the SUV is sunk to the bottom of the retention pond, and the water is dark and murky.
Mills! Mills, get this! Hey, grab that phone! Right behind you! We got one more guy out there. Where's the line for that float? Hey, grab the float! Ooh. Not that one, we need that one.
Oh, they can't grab that.
Do you need rescue, bro?
One person
No, they're here now. They're here.
I'm good. Did they get the red bag out there? Yeah.
There's some bubbles coming up over there. Hey, you see that? Come on. Grab the rope. Get him in. Get him in. Hey, you need rescue? You all right?
Do we have any?
Grab that rope. Throw it back out there. Throw it back out there. Throw it.
Where's the car? The car is sunk.
Who else? Is there anyone else?
Officer 796, 738.
Despite risking their own lives to rescue Vanity, officers are unable to locate the submerged vehicle. As the search continues, Pamelia is taken to a nearby police cruiser.
Stand up. Hey, walk with me. Kate, give me your keys or something. No, come on. Come on. You put her in there. It's fine. Have a seat. Get my box out. Okay. Sit down. Sit down. Get in there. Try to pull her through. Yeah. See? Hey, you got hand sanitizer? Yeah.
And we were trying to get to the car and you couldn't see anything. It's too deep, but that water is murky as shit.
He said you couldn't even touch it with your feet. It's
No,
gotta be 8 feet deep.
dude, no, it's where we're at. I went all the way down. I went underwater right about the drop off here, and I couldn't. I was completely under. Couldn't.
Yeah, we pulled her in from like.
Man.
You can't find. Well, that's the problem. We can't find the car.
Everything else I threw in there. The only thing I couldn't get off in time enough was my shirt and my vest.
Jesus, dude.
So I went in, shirt and vest.
I was trying to take this in so I could can see down there.
I don't have goggles or anything, so even then, it's so murky, you ain't gonna be able to see it because it's sit on the bottom of it.
While their rescue operation is underway, other officers return to Whitney's home to interview her about the events leading up to Vanity's abduction.
So we've been dealing with my sister. Long story short, my sister lost custody of my niece. They gave my niece to us. And my sister has been coming by a lot this week. This is the third time she's come to my house unannounced. We told her she's not allowed to come. And she's been coming anyways. Today we called and had a cop come and remove her from the house because she tried to pick up my niece from school, which I told them she was not allowed to, so they didn't give her to her. She came, the police told her to leave, she left, she came back, she pleaded with me and just was like, can I give her these clothes that I bought her? So I was like, sure. So she came, I was standing here and she was giving her the clothes and she put her in the car and she took off. While I was standing here holding the baby.
I'm sorry, I was listening to the radio. Replay that last part. You say you something with the clothes. What?
She asked if she could give her. She said she bought her these new clothes, and she gave her candy, and she was showing me the clothes, and I was like, okay, yeah, you can give her the clothes, because at the end of the day, I mean, she's my sister, and that's her daughter, and I understand I have a kid. So I was standing right here. The car's literally where you're standing.
And I was here with the dog too.
Yeah, he was standing out here like walking the dog, and she puts her in the car and takes off.
I got you.
Just takes off. As soon as she took off, I called the cops.
Okay.
Yeah.
How old is the child?
5.
Okay. And do you know why they took the child away from the home?
My sister has mental health issues,
Okay.
and she was refusing to get help.
Okay.
And so her issues were causing like other problems.
What's her name?
Pamela. My niece or my sister?
Your sister.
Pamela.
Last name?
Cabrera.
Okay. What's the child's name?
Vanity.
And the same last name.
How you spell it?
Cabrera.
Supervisor wants me to give him a call, so just give him 1 second.
No problem.
It's crazy.
Yeah. Just to sum it up pretty much.
Yeah.
It's wild.
What is what I do with crazy people.
Is there any kind of like court injunction or anything like that?
Yes,
Yes,
we have a court order.
have court order paper that says that I'm her legal guardian.
Okay. She's a legal guardian, she's saying?
We can break it if you guys want.
I don't know.
Are you supposed to have custody of that child?
No, not at all.
Per the document,
Yes.
can you bring them out to me?
Yes. Well, I have it on my phone, but I also have other papers.
He's gonna grab it.
You have the paper documents?
I have
he's
them
grabbing
emailed
it.
to me, but he's gonna grab one that's from the court. Yeah.
Where'd you put it at?
So I have this paperwork, and also this all happened in Hillsborough County.
Okay, like Tampa.
Yeah.
Yes.
Actually, I think these are the two same paperworks right here. And then I gave one of her schools the copy, so I have this. It's the court order.
Yeah, I do that.
Stuff.
Yeah, that's right.
This is
Let me
all
ask
the
this.
court paperwork.
And when do you get that paperwork?
We've had her for 2 years almost now.
Oh, 2 years. Okay.
Yeah, I got her in March of 2020. So we're going on 2 years.
Okay. Yeah, that's fine. So we actually weren't the primary officers on this call, but our supervisor sent us out here to get the documents and just make
like
sure
I said, we
everything-
literally probably a couple hours ago had another officer come in and we showed him the same paperwork because she was harassing us earlier too.
female officer and
No, it was a male officer.
with tattoos.
I'm
I'm familiar because they were headed to you, so I'm familiar with they were headed to
okay.
you. Yeah, that's fine.
And go back into my attachments.
Yeah, I appreciate it. I'm just gonna sit over here.
Okay.
And we'll be here until
You get an
we
update.
get something back from our
Yeah.
supervisor.
That's like, so what happened was I had temporary custody until my sister was supposed to get herself together.
Okay, that's what I want to know. So
Yeah.
you never got legal custody of the child.
Like
You just got
full custody, yeah.
So DCF just gave you placement.
Yeah, I guess that's how that works. I don't
got
really
you.
know how it works.
No, that's fine.
But she's not allowed to take my niece.
Yeah, I understand. But what happens is if they do take them, then that's when you contact DCF, and then they go through the legal proceedings with their lawyer to actually get full custody taken away from them and assign
So
them
you're
to
saying
somebody
like
else.
once we have her returned, then at that point she'll get.
So let's say she violated whatever the agreement was between that she had with DCF to get her life right.
Yeah.
If she violates that, then you contact them, and then they get with their lawyers, and then they go after her legally to take
Right.
to give
Her
you or whoever.
Her taking my niece is against the contract. She's not allowed to have.
I know, I get you, but it's still not signed by a judge. That's that agreement I was telling you about.
Okay.
It's fine. Let me just notify my supervisor. It's neither here nor there. You explain it to me. You don't.
Okay.
You don't have anything.
Because this says in the circuit court. That's why I'm like, I don't know.
No, I understand. Yeah, it's all complicated the way they.
Yeah. I just know her caseworker said she cannot have her by herself. So that's.
Okay.
So I know this is definitely a step up from that, taking her.
Back at the crash scene, patrol officers begin searching for witnesses.
Hey, how you doing?
Good, how you doing?
Good. Hey, did you happen by chance see anything that happened, or did you just pull up on the tail end of things?
I mean, I saw. Was it the Nissan car?
Honestly, I have no idea. I got here literally at the last,
there was like.
minute.
I mean, there was. I was back there on 95 when there was a car that was flying like over 100 miles per hour, and all these, and all these cars came behind me when I was. They probably passed me maybe like a mile from here. All these cop cars.
Okay.
And there was like the.
But you didn't see anything that happened up this way. You just pulled up and the road was blocked.
I pulled up and it was blocked.
Okay.
Why, is there a car in there?
I don't know. Like I said, I got here on the tail end of things.
Yeah.
Let me, my lieutenant's right up here. Yeah. Let me talk to him real quick, and then if they don't need you for anything, but you didn't see anything that happened over.
I saw nothing.
You just was getting off the off ramp and you got stuck. Pretty much.
I was I was behind them. No, but I did see. I think the car they were chasing when I was on 95 flew by me. Just with all these officers too. I mean, the guy was probably going 100, 110 miles per hour down the road.
Okay. Let me talk to my LT and let me see if I can get you out here quick, all right?
A Spanish-speaking sergeant attempts to communicate with Pamelia. After advising her of her Miranda rights, investigators begin trying to establish exactly who was inside the SUV when it entered the water.
Mira, yo soy Sargento Maldonado. ¿Necesitas que te llame los paramédicos?
Mi hija.
Ajá. Necesito saber. Mi hija. Ella está ahí dentro del carro. Mira. She's just saying that's my daughter. She's saying that's my daughter, but I'm trying to ask her if the girl is still inside.
In the car, yeah.
Ella está en el carro, la niña. Necesito saber si ella está dentro del carro.
She knows we're trying to find her, right?
And yeah, I keep asking her if the girl is still inside the car. She won't answer me. She won't say anything. Oh, she said at the beginning her daughter.
It's her daughter, yeah.
Está dentro del carro la niña. ¿Cuántos años tiene? It's a 5-year-old daughter.
Yeah. In the car.
She said in the car, yes.
All right. That's all I need.
Dentro del carro? Más nadie. She's saying nobody else, just her daughter.
Okay. Hey, ma'am, I just wanted to touch base with you. I know you just got here.
No, I've been here.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm just learning, trying to gather the info from my officers. We just talked to her. She did confirm her child's in the car.
Okay.
We're trying, she's Spanish speaking, so we have Sergeant Maldonado trying to converse with her. She's bleeding from the mouth, so we got JFRD coming to check her out. Okay. She's somewhat hysterical on and off. And she did say, that's my child. We've got all the units that need to be called, including homicide, is just being notified now. So,
okay.
At this point, I'm trying to figure out if the child was in a car seat. If
a 5-year-old?
5-year-old, yeah.
And she grabbed him that quick, probably not. I don't imagine she put her in a car seat, because it was within 5 minutes that we got the call, and the time lapse was maybe 5 minutes after that. So we were on it very quickly. There's no way that she could have sent the child somewhere else. Papa 794 was right behind her.
Okay.
And I confirmed it was a 30 before I let him continue.
Okay.
So at this point, you know, here's where we are.
So we're definitely not dealing with a civil interference with custody.
Well, her sister supposedly has custody of her based on a DCF placement, as best as I can tell from my PIC at the scene. But Officer Kittle was there a few hours before this happened. She came to take her before, and he told her, don't do that. She's got custody of her. Come back and we can help you see her if you want, but that's it. And then she ended up doing this. So we may have an interference with custody, but regardless,
at the time,
what we had was a signal 30.
Gotcha.
And we couldn't confirm custody until, you know, much later. So we're still looking for her. Dive team sergeant is here, as far as I know.
Okay. We thought we were utilizing St. Johns County.
I asked them if they have any ways of getting them here sooner, one way or the other. And
is that the rescue squad?
Yeah, they're coming to check her out. Sergeant Heath said that her group is coming, but I just figured if we can expedite it to try to get somebody in there.
Yeah, that's a good call.
But I don't think homicide comes out with interference with custody.
Well, we got a death, so it was a traffic incident. So I think traffic homicide.
Let me check with Sergeant Henry.
Well, I already talked. TK Waters already knows.
He's out. Okay.
So they may leave Cowan. I think he's on his way to.
Okay.
Him and I fight over who will address the meeting.
One or the other of them?
One. If they don't come, him and I will be stuck doing it.
Okay. Yes, sir.
So the LT that was just here,
Lieutenant Henley,
wanted a unit sent to the owner of the vehicle that's in the water. However, that's not by Tampa.
Say that again?
So he wanted to make sure that the child wasn't dropped off at the owner of the vehicle's house.
That's in Tampa.
But it's in Tampa, so
Yeah.
she's not.
Okay.
I don't know.
There's no way she could have dropped her off by the time you got behind her.
No. So where I picked her, again, I was already familiar with her, which is why I was going there, because I was already out there earlier in the day.
Okay.
So I picked her up at Dun and Biscayne, which is less than, I don't know, 0.7 of a mile from the house.
When she left.
From where she left. She was already moving at a pretty good speed. The only reason I was able to see her where I was she was stopped behind two cars on Dun facing east at Biscayne.
All right.
So as I was coming the other way, I looked over and I saw the car because I recognized it. I was just there. Slowed down a little bit. I saw the suspect in the car and I saw a little head moving on the other side.
Okay.
When I whipped around, got in behind her, was gonna call out the tag to say I'm behind her. Right as I was getting ready to call out the tag, she took off at that point. That's when I said I'm behind the 30 vehicle because I knew it was the same car.
Okay.
I just couldn't get the tag out.
10-4. So I want rescue to check her out so she can continue talking.
She spoke extremely good English when I spoke to her earlier in the day.
Yeah, she's playing a game. But
just for 94, she spoke really good English because we had a good conversation earlier about.
Let me tell him
about not having.
Maldonado. Come here a sec. Look,
sorry, I didn't know it was.
One of our PICs apparently met with her and at their residence 3 hours before this occurred, and she was speaking perfectly good English.
Yeah, it never fails.
So
never fails.
She's bloody mouth and
she's
nose.
still bleeding from the nose and the mouth just coming down. All right, so you just want to get her checked out.
What do you guys want to do?
Well, we need to. I think she'll be okay if we can just make sure there's nothing else going on.
Yeah.
She's talking. She's able to speak. She's just in trauma.
Yeah. Yeah.
She's
Mira, aquí tenemos.
she's under some stress because her child is in the.
I understand.
Yeah.
Mira,
I don't know. I think she's finally realized it. What happened? What happened? Yeah.
Back at Whitney's house, detectives continue conducting police interviews with her and her husband about Pamelia's history and the events that led to that night's tragedy.
And he spoke to her earlier, or how did he find it?
I guess before she came to Tampa, they were together. And then, like, I think around the time he was trying to call me was probably when they went their separate ways.
So she was in Tampa earlier?
Yes.
And then she came up here?
Yes.
Okay, gotcha.
She came up here around the time
that
her daughter would have got out of school. Because she knows what time she gets out of school, and she knows where her school is. So she, I'm assuming, she just saw the time and noticed that, she had enough time to get here.
Did the school notify you guys that she went out there? Okay.
Or, yes, they did.
Gotcha.
Yeah, they were together this morning, but he said...
How was it? The school didn't let her pick her up?
No,
okay.
The school didn't let her pick her up.
Gotcha, okay. Yeah, my lieutenant was just asking, or my sergeant was asking questions, so...
Left, I don't know.
I'll get back with you guys if I have anything else in the meantime. Alright? Okay. Sorry for disturbing you again.
Honestly, we don't know what has gone down at this point. So we've been told to stand by, get information from you guys. They will contact us. The detectives have to contact you. And like the officer was saying, it's a crime scene at this point, considering this is where she actually took them from. So we need you guys to hang out here because it's the scene of a kidnapping.
So the no have been on her? The no have been on her?
There's no, we don't know anything. Honestly, I don't have any information for you. All I know is that we work in kidnapping investigation.
Right. If they need anything more, would we be able to ask them to see if they're on anything?
Oh, they're going to do that anyway. The neighbors.
My entire house.
Yeah. So what's going to happen? So whenever
and she spoke to him as well.
So whenever a juvenile is kidnapped, the detectives have to come and actually speak with everybody. Okay. That's what we're waiting on right now. Okay. They're going to speak with you. They're going to do a very thorough investigation. So yeah. So they're going to be here. That's the only reason we've been hanging out, getting information, supplying it to them. For whatever information they need.
No, right.
Yeah. So, so we just need you guys to hang out. They'll be here to talk to you and get any information they need from you. Okay. Yeah. You had any other questions for us?
I don't think you can answer any of them.
What's that, man?
I said I don't think you'd be able to answer any of them.
Yeah, probably not. To be honest with you, all we've been getting is just get whatever information you got, and I've just been passing information along. So.
Do they think the dad was here?
Do they think who was here?
Her dad?
I have no idea. I mean, that's something I didn't even know about. I mean, do you think did he tell you he was here?
No, but I don't trust him.
You think he possibly was here too?
I
got you. So everything you got, make sure you let the detectives know because they're the ones following up with it. Okay. Anything you can think of, save it, or you can let us know.
Well, he was the one that told me that they were coming today.
They're definitely gonna follow up with it. Yeah, I pass that information along to my supervisor. Okay. So yeah, he's aware of it.
All right. We're just sitting in the car with the dog.
Okay.
Hey, Miss Cabrera. Hey. It's 12:21 on April 1st. I'm Detective Brooks. I'm going to be one of the detectives handling your crash tonight. Are you wanting to talk to me? No. Are you wanting to talk to me about what happened tonight? Okay. So, she is not here right now. She's been moved. So, what happened tonight? Are you not wanting to give me a statement as to what caused this crash or anything that led up to it? No? Okay. Well, unfortunately, I regret to inform you that your daughter was killed in tonight's crash. So she's at the medical examiner's office right now, okay? You have any questions for me at all, ma'am? What is what place? Where you're at? You're in Jacksonville. That's called a pond. No idea. Okay. Thank you.
Any contact?
Following her arrest, Pamelia Cabrera is charged with aggravated manslaughter of a child, aggravated fleeing or attempting to elude law enforcement causing death, vehicular homicide, battery on a law enforcement officer, and battery on an emergency medical care provider. Prosecutors argue that Pamelia's motive was to take back the daughter she no longer had legal custody of. Rather than surrender when police attempted to stop her, she fled at high speed, setting in motion the deadly chain of events. The case is delayed for nearly 2 years, while Pamelia undergoes multiple psychiatric evaluations to determine whether she's competent to stand trial. In January 2024, after doctors find her competent to proceed, Pamelia pleads guilty to aggravated manslaughter of a child, aggravated fleeing or attempting to elude law enforcement causing death, battery on a law enforcement officer, and battery on an emergency medical care provider. In exchange for her guilty plea, prosecutors dropped the separate vehicular homicide charge. On October 29, 2024, a judge sentences Pamelia Cabrera to 30 years in Florida State Prison, the maximum sentence permitted under her plea agreement.